before the big boys mark the price up higher, we can see that at the bottom, and we can take the advantage on the price up, and then we can get out before the price fall. It's different from the traditional way where the price really move up, then only you saw it, then you enter at the high side, then the price up to goes down lower. The reason is because most of the time the big boys are marking the price up to attract the buyers in. So after they attract the buyers in, retail investor will start to park at the lower point. That's where they sell it down. That's where they take the profit. So this gives an answer to every one of you who have questioning why every time we buy at stocks and then the price will fall. Like this SYS Corp. A lot of traders definitely get trapped at this point here. When we see this price are marked up here, we say that this stocks is going to have a retrace after the triangle breakout. Okay, in a way, it's a triangle breakout fail. Why we say this is because we find this price movement is in these stocks, in the 5-minute charts. How do we know this? You can see high volume, price down, selling pressure is coming. So if they have the intention to continue to mark the price up higher, they won't throw the price down lower. So we need to know why price throw down is a sign that the big boys want to throw the price down lower, or that there will be a retrace. Is because big boys mark the price up higher, like I told you just now, attract retail investor attention. Like just now, if you look into this, the price breakout, definitely a lot of technical analyst trader will enter into these stocks on this day. Retail investor, of course, some of them they will buy at the high point, but most of them they will queue at the lower point. So why they will queue at the lower point, you ask yourself. Because you want to buy at a cheaper price. You always think that, oh, this is the fair value I want. This is the fair value I think it is. Always remember one thing, as a trader or investor, in the stock market, is not up to us to say how much is it. Because we are not the big boys. We need to follow the big boys. So if you do that, you will find that why the price are thrown down. Because the big boys are taking profit. Here, retail investors are queuing here, so they are selling their shares out, so they are taking profit. You might ask, how do they make profit out from here? Look at this. Their accumulation is at the lower point. Probably is not here. It will be at the lower point. So they are taking profit on the way up. Even here, they are taking profit. So here, this kind of resistance breakout or triangle breakout, or whatever chart pattern breakout from here, is usually telling us that the big boys are having lesser shares in hand. So if they are having lesser shares in hand, they have no intention to mark the price up higher. They just need to throw whatever shares out into the market and they can make profit. Their cost price is here. They make the profit here. Even though they are throwing down, they still make the profit. So this is what we saw here. If let's say they are throwing out like this, big boys are throwing out like this, if they have the intention to mark the price up higher, they won't let the price down like this. So here they are just throwing down and then mark up a bit to gain back the confidence of the retail investor, so they won't sell. Then they throw down, then mark up a bit, so retail investor will think that, oh, the demand is still strong, the market is still strong, so the price will continue to move up higher. But what happened was, after this day, the price dropped up until now.
Wrong and Search. True traders react to the market.